YouTube, what up, what up, what up? Hey, what's up, man? Ready to take, ready to drop the car off. Ready to get these damn holes filled on the goddamn car. You know, well, here in Maryland, we gotta have our license plate on the front and the back. So, something smoke on it. You gotta have a license on the front and the back. So, the dealership, they always drill the goddamn holes in the front of your goddamn license plate in your car to insert the license plate bracket there. And I don't like it. So I bought this this quick insert license plate mount bracket that goes, well, it's like 3 different versions. You got one that goes on the underneath. It's hard to explain. If you got, I got the adaptive cruise control on here. So they have one that mounts directly underneath of it, but you can push, you can offset it so it won't block the eyeball. Then you have another one where you get, depending on the trim that you got, the year you got, that it's come from underneath, I believe it's underneath the, where your vents are, in between a little space. So anyway, they're the 2 versions that I know of. So I put the bracket on. I forgot to do a little video on that, but I'll put a link in here and let you know where I got it from. And the bracket is pretty cool. It don't bounce around, it don't shake. I didn't see any scratches, no dents on my fender, on the splitter. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. It's real durable and it's keep a real clean finish. Got a nice look to it. I gotta get used to yeah, I mean, have my license plate right there. I normally keep it. When I had my RT, I kind of like put like some zip ties inside the vent, and it looked clean. I liked it. It looked pretty good. But this time, I actually bought a for real bracket, and the bracket actually looked good on the car. I just gotta get used to looking at it like that, because if somebody was to say it, like, damn, like it's gonna scrape the ground or bang the ground or something. But it actually is pretty. It's pretty cool. But anyway, that's the reason why I'm taking a car to the shop today, because I'm gonna get this, get these holes filled. They had this little thing where you buy these little fucking plugs. You gotta drill a bigger hole in your goddamn bumper, and then you insert some little fucking plugs inside there. Excuse my language. You gotta insert the little plugs inside the little holes on the front bumper. It's still there. It still looks funny. So I was like, man, fuck it, I ain't doing that. I'm not drilling a hole in the bumper, making a bigger hole just to insert something that's not a clean look. And the little plugs was like, I think it was like $30. Shit, no, it was more than that. I think about $35, $40 just for 2. I need 4, because the guy put 2 up, 2 down. So I need 4 plugs. So I said $70, $75, well, plus shipping, it's probably like $80. Nah, it's all right. I'd rather get this done and know it's clean, it's look good, and also do gonna look out for me too. He gonna fix all the chips I got on my car. I got like a few little chips on the front lower part of the damn, you know what I'm trying to say. I got some goddamn chips right there, so dude gonna look out for me and get that done. So he gonna fill them holes in. They're gonna clean them chips up. But I also gonna go past the dealership today, probably tomorrow, and get like the little, you know, the corrective paint stuff. So try to get that squared away and get that thing looking good, because I plan on doing a little wrap job. So just in case I wrap it further down into the bumper, it's already clean, it's already done. So, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this, and I should be ready to pull up here now. I'm all in the back roads. So, yeah, man. It's a nice day here. Figure out, since it's cold out, since it's still winter, I might as well get this car ready for the summer. So it's looking right, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, ready to pull up here in a sec. I'll get back with y'all, man. Let me pull up real quick. So what up, man? Just pulling up here now. Widebody. It's funny I'm bringing my car here. They know me here because every time I come here, it's always full. When I had my other Challenger, somebody hit it 4 times. 4 times. So they knew me. I called in, they got me in and out. But the last time, shit was totaled. So yeah, I'm here now. Hopefully they'll be able to see me. Get this in here. I already gave me a heads up I was coming. But every time I take my car in the shop, I'm ready to walk in there, but every time I take my car in the shop, I always do this, but every time, man. So nobody driving your car crazy. I got something for y'all ass. Put it in valet mode, yes. Put your PIN number in. Put your PIN number in. They can't do shit. But they can't do nothing. It say reduce engine power, launch control disabled, street transmission, paddle shifters off, street traction, street suspension, and street steering. So it's basically, they ain't doing nothing. Your power's been deactivated. So I do that just in case they want to go crazy and drive your car any type of way. So I always put in valet mode. And they'll notice because they know they can't do something to it, because as soon as you click on, I gotta turn the damn camera around. As soon as you click on the button, it say SRT mode. As soon as you click on that, the PIN number automatically pop up. So you can't do nothing. I can shift this all day, it won't do nothing. I can hit the gas pedal. I mean, it's gonna sound good. It's gonna sound like you're doing something, but you ain't really going nowhere. You're wasting more gas than anything. So yeah, so I do this every time I drop my car, so they can't go joyriding your shit. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get out and show y'all a little hose real quick. Let me back up so I can show y'all. There go my guy right there. So if you can, I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
That taken care of.
Yep.
And I don't know if you can still, I don't know, if you guys are pretty busy, see if you guys can get like these little scratches, if you can.
Yeah, because I got to sand down the whole bumper anyway.
Okay. Because all these little nicks.
Yeah, whatever's on the bumper, I'll just take care of.
I appreciate it, man.
Deal, man.
Definitely appreciate it.
Yeah, you got a couple over here too. Yeah, this front's gonna be, just because of its size, you're gonna have nicks on this thing.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's a wider version, so.
Man, it's but it's cool.
I just hate this. This is killing me. I hate this. This is killing me. I bought the little bracket plate.
You know, I got a red one in here right now.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling about that. He crashed it up pretty good. Is it a wide body or is it
no? It's not a wide body. It's regular, but he's got the chin spoiler. But he put his tag, and it's so awful. He has his tag just like this, and he mounted it in the grill right.
Yeah, I did that with my RT. He probably got like.
He's got bolts going through.
Oh, he got bolts?
Yeah, he put bolts and screws.
He should have just zip tied mine.
Oh, did you?
But the distance between these two was a little bit more. This being the wider body version, we don't have fog lights, and so I guess they minimized this for some reason. I don't know.
It doesn't sit in there right. It looks like shit. I mean. And I was
he gonna scratch this up big time, man.
Because it kind of fits in there, and it's like at an angle.
Oh, really?
Because it's not straight up and down.
Nice. He got by that. I like that.
That's what I told me and my tech were talking about. So I know they probably make something you can put a tag somewhere else.
See, the thing of it is that I'm doing my YouTube video.
Oh yeah.
The thing of it is that I like, if you hold this for a sec.
Yeah.
The thing I like about it, you can do this.
Comes right out.
Yeah. So this I was gonna do when I bring it here. And it just comes off.
Nice. See, that's exactly what you need.
So it's just like a little pull pin. You just pull it and you just stick it in.
Yeah, if you want to clean it up or take it to a car.
So I'm taking this off. I'm gonna put it in the trunk because I know it's coming off anyway. Once you take the bumper off, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about.
And that's worth every dime.
Yeah, it's only $80 for this thing.
That's worth every dime. And then if you're going somewhere and you want the car a little cleaner,
there you go.
Take it off.
So I'm ready. A reason why I got this done because obviously it looks like shit with the holes in it. First of all, second, I'm ready. I'm gonna take it and get it wrapped too. So
you're getting a clear protector on it. What do you?
That I don't know too much about the clear protection. I think it's ceramic coating, isn't it?
Well, you say wrapped. What do you
Like a wrap, like the vinyl wrap. You know how they
Okay.
put like I'm getting a black satin wrap on the roof, the back, and on the
I see what
the
you're
hood.
saying. Okay, so
So-
the top. Okay.
And I might get some of the bumper done, and I don't want them to say, "Well, I got the holes right there. We gotta do that."
Yeah.
I'd rather have it professionally done. That I know you guys do really good work. I remember taking my charger here. You guys always had it taken care of.
Yeah.
So I figured.
Yeah, it'll be just like it.
So, Peter Body Shop, man. They take insurances. Obviously, it's got to be collision, but they do pretty good work here, man. Like I said, bought my car here a bunch of times, and they always do good work, man. So, I had my RT here, crashed that, like I told you, 4 times, and all of them wasn't my fault. Every time wasn't my fault. So, the company here, they do real good work, man. Every time I got into an accident, it was 2 hit, 1, 2, back into it. I think it was 3 hit and runs, 4 hit and runs. Damn, it's 4 hit and runs. One on the Beltway, that's still gotta go to court for that. One in the garage. It was like a bar came outside. Car had a big dent in the front bumper. Came out this other bar, had a big bump. It had a scrape in the back. The corner of the car, big scratch. I just bought the car a week ago before I got it, or after I got it. And the other one, a guy turned in front of him. No, he stopped, turned in front of me, trying to make a turn, and we basically T-boned each other. I T-boned him, but it definitely wasn't my fault. Everything was paid for. But yeah, man, every time I got it back, it was like a brand new car. So that was always a good thing. So, and I Googled this place and talked to a few people that obviously took their car here from me when I posted it on Facebook, and they just do real good work, man. Every time I got it, that's why I was talking to the guy here. He remembered me from last time I bought it here. They just did real good work. Like I keep saying it because it's like a brand new car when you get it back. It's not like, you know how you take a car some places, they be like, yeah, I can see where they fixed this, or I can see where they did this. Oh yeah, look at this part right here. It's kind of high and low, or it's not blended. No, you can't. Nope. Look like it's straight off the showroom floor. So big up to this place, man. Y'all trying to bring y'all car here, man. Hey, the number 410-526-4346. It's called Peter Body Shop. It's on Deer Park Road. Yeah, bring your car up here, man. It's in Maryland. I know some of you guys out in West or Texas or something like that, but it's here. For all you locals, it's here, man. So, yeah, man, we're going here. Gotta wait for my lift, man. It's not drop the car off. I should have called somebody to tell them to come get me. So, all right, man. So I just got up here, ready to pick up the car. I know it's a bit windy out.
She looks okay? You're good
Oh
with
yeah, I
it?
love it, man.
Okay.
I love it.
All right, he's got the...
There's a lifetime warranty on all our work. So
Okay, cool.
Right now,
That car was a big hit, dude.
It was
That's
it?
what I told him.
All the guys in the shop were like, God damn, look at this thing.
I
You
like
get
it.
tired of looking at Camrys and Civics all day, you know? So,
And that was the first wide body that came in here too, right?
that was the first wide body. Yeah.
Did you guys fix the red one yet? That red one in there?
The red one is in the shop. We're having issues with that thing.
Oh, okay.
It's older and it's been wrecked before, and
Okay,
it's
I
just
got
not
you.
the greatest shape. It's nowhere near this, that's for sure.
Okay.
No, that's a big hit, man. That was a big hit.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it, definitely.
Hopefully you don't need us for it again, but you know if you do, bring it back.
Oh yeah.
We'll
Every
take
time
care.
I had problems with the last one, I always brought it here anyway. So
Well, we appreciate it, man. Hopefully you won't need us for that.
absolutely, yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Clean.
Okay.
Told you they do good work. It's like brand new, brand spanking new, brand new. No nicks, no nothing. Brand new. It's like brand spanking new. Oh yeah. Did a hell of a job. Any problems, man, bring your car up here, man. They will get you straight. No question at all. No questions. Look at this though. Sick. I'll get that. Man, I just came, picked up the car from the shop. And like I just showed y'all in the video, man, they did a hell of a job, man. Definitely killed it. Every time I bring my car here, unfortunately, every time I had to bring it here, it was for an accident, but every time I bring my car here, man, they always did good work. I'm telling you, I give them 5 stars. It's no imperfections on the car at all. None at all. And just happy for that, you know what I mean? They had it for about what, Thursday, dropped on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. He's gonna he told me I can pick it up yesterday, but I told him I was working night work, so he said he ain't bother to call me. Plus with the snow we just got, so he was like, I ain't gonna bother to call you until you come get that thing next. I was like, you must know me. But anyway, man, back in this. Spinner. Yeah, so now that's out the way. There's a few other little modifications that just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm gonna throw that on here in a minute. I'm gonna pay the door today. I'm gonna try time 12:42. I might have to throw at least one of them on here. So put that on here. Yeah, throw that on here, man. Let y'all see what it look like. Yeah, man, I'm just super pumped, man. It's starting to come around, man. Everything's starting to come together. There's a few more things I gotta do, yeah. Put my own stamp on it. But just one of the few things that I want to do ASAP to get this shit looking right. I'm just super pumped that they just cleaned up all those nicks and little scratches at the bottom from a rock shipping and flipped up and hit that. Did all that shit, man. See what I'm saying? I tell people always want a deal on everything. Everything don't require a deal. Everything ain't about deal. It's about quality. You want good quality, you want to pay for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You want some rush, cheap job, or what you want to pay. Some cheap ass shit or some minute as work, you gonna get some fucked up results. That's just what it is. But excuse me, rain, my fault. Yeah, so it wasn't overly expensive, but I think it was a fair price. So people like, damn, you paid all that? Take your shit down the street, man. Go down the street and see one of these dudes. Let's do a comparison. Anyway, we got these little things I'm gonna put on here as soon as I get back to the house. So, it's cold, that light. So, get to the crib, throw this up on, and see how she look. Oh, remember I told y'all when I take my car to the shop, I put it in valet mode so they can't drive your shit the way they want. Yeah, he said he hit the SRT button on there. I think one of them said that. Hit the SRT button on there just to see how it looked, the settings and stuff. I don't mind. And it had the screen popped up with like all the codes and stuff. They couldn't do nothing to it, so I was tripping off of that.